Today I'm going to do a little video on this saw. I bought this saw used on eBay. It's Stihl MS 271. I put a 20-inch bar on it, and I'm going to see how it runs. I haven't tried it with this bar yet, so I'm going to work on this storm. This tree came down in a storm. So I'm going to work on getting the rest of this tree down. So anyway, there are good sellers on eBay. I'm real happy with the saw so far, but I haven't tried it with this longer bar. So give it a shot and see how it goes. Okay, what I'm going to do here is cut a wedge at the bottom of this tree. What I want to do is drop it down that end. When I cut those limbs off, the end raised up, and it's kind of out of reach now. So I'm going to cut a wedge and leave some holding wood, and hopefully just drop it down where I can get to it without putting it on the ground, because I won't have to cut the log up on the ground. So I just want it down lower where I can get to it. So I'm going to cut a wedge and get around back and cut it loose from the back, and then come back to the front. Okay, so the log laid down on this stump here, and so now I can get to everything. This tree just barely missed this gazebo. It kind of pushed it out a plumb, and I used to come along to get it squared back up, but I mean, it missed it by inches. And so now you can see that I got it at a good working height, so I don't have to reach up over my head like I did for these other limbs. So it's kind of dodging bombs as I was cutting these blocks off. But so now I'm just gonna start at this back end and work my way down through here and cut some good oak firewood. Okay, I'm just going to get a quick video of the aftermath. Stump's about probably 24 inches in diameter, and you know, that was all on one tank of gas, so I'm real happy with the fuel economy of the saw. And that full chisel chain is a little, kind of wants to kick back on you if it gets a little bit pinched or something. So it's a good idea to hang on to the saw for sure, because it's trying to jump around. But this big old oak tree is on the ground now, so I'll get the log splitter out and make kindling out of this. Maybe make a few matchsticks while I'm at it. So anyway, have a nice day, and I'll talk to you later.